this time of year I like to thank my viewer and subscriber, to look back on the year and also look forward. Now, one thing for sure is none of us are getting any younger, but I still have my hair. And you know, YouTube is changing by the minute. And I can't help but notice the very high standard everywhere today, not to mention the sheer number of channels just in one speciality area such as woodworking. With YouTube, it's now almost become manic. The speed of delivery, the attention span, the request to subscribe before you've even watched a video, because statistics show a large percentage of viewers stop viewing in under 20 seconds. That means I've already lost 25% of my audience. Now, I'm not trying to be the most popular woodworking channel on YouTube, but just hope to connect with a few people around the planet and give something slightly different and certainly diverse, and not just about woodworking. You know, within the broad field of working wood, there are separate disciplines, sometimes with quite narrow doctrines, even when the common material is wood. So part of what I'm trying to do is broaden out and link everything up. Well, I have to confess, this last year, my attention span has wandered a little away from woodworking, and I've made a lot of videos about my other passions, including guitar playing. But you know, I have to come up for air sometimes. Woodworking can be quite isolating, but there have been some woodworking highlights for me personally this year. The Encyclopedia of Woodworking Techniques, which I wrote in 1993, was republished as a revised edition in 2018. And I managed to have final say in the updates, even though I had no publishing contract, and indeed I don't earn any royalties. So I do make a request for you to support me and consider buying a signed copy directly from me. Okay, it's more than you'll pay from Amazon, but your patronage helps me create more videos on my channel. Okay, that's the selling over. Looking forward to 2019, I'm planning a series of videos on my new adventure into CNC woodworking. Wow, a big move because I've got no programming knowledge. I'm building a CNC router machine so that I can understand the technology from scratch. But also transfer my vast experience of the portable plunging router to this modern method. So I'm hoping to explore jigs, joint cutting, and also explore the vast range of specialist cutters that I've got. I guess my main message this year, and given that most of us learn by copying, is to consider woodworking as an adventure. You know, if you can learn the fundamental principles and then adapt them creatively to design your own projects, no matter how simple, you know, it's immensely satisfying. Believe me, and it just involves having the confidence to begin. You know, all my own successes are built on rejection and also failures, but determination to keep going really gets results. And you know, you do have to put in your hours with woodworking because it's a multifaceted craft. It's quite difficult, and you know, my aim here is to make it easy for you. Well, thanks for watching, and please do use the comments section to tell me what kind of videos you'd like me to make that are of interest to you. So have fun and be safe.